In this video, I'm going to talk about free money, which you can literally pick up in any market in the world. It's not exaggeration. Please watch this video. It can profoundly improve and change your trading results. So let's get to it. Hi, my name is Thomas, also known as the Mr. Breakout. I'm a breakout trading specialist and an internationally recognized trading author. I've traveled the world trading breakout strategies, and on this channel I will teach you my own way of finding the right trading opportunities and making real money with breakout trading. Welcome back, breakout trading specialists, breakout trading fans, and breakout trading traders. Breakout trading is a fantastic way to trade any market in the world. But if you're savvy enough, you can also add additional, literally free money to your trading strategies with simple tweaks and simple improvements I'm going to talk about today. So what I'm going to talk about is something I call free money. Being on the ground, waiting for you to pick it up. Again, it works in any market, on any trading direction. And it's all about being intelligent. It's all about approaching your trades intelligently and knowing when and where to make small tweaks and improvements, which can so significantly boost your trading results that it literally equals free money, completely free money. So let's get to it. Okay, I'm going to use this fantastic calculator to demonstrate the whole idea. By the way, this is a free calculator which you can get at falsebreakoutscalculator.com. I will leave the link below this video, so you can just go below this video and click it, or you can go to falsebreakoutscalculator.com. Now, let me first explain what all this is about. So every trading has losing trades. That's normal. Every trader does have losing trades. Now, a lot of traders, they approach their trading by developing more strategies, diversifying their portfolios, which definitely is the right thing to do. It's an amazing thing to do. But sometimes traders are missing a very important point, and that is that just a very small reduction of false entries can so profoundly boost your annual or monthly outcomes in terms of real dollars that it's almost mind-blowing. And again, once you do this small tweak, it is picking free money from the ground. So we will work with this falsebreakoutscalculator.com, and let's begin. So first of all, when you get to this site, again, link is below this video, freebreakoutcalculator.com. This calculator assumes you already trade, okay? So you already have some trading approach, some trading strategy, and you know some minimum parameters. So we have some starting point to start from to really improve your results. So if you are a day trader, I would say reasonable day trader with one trading strategy can have on average 2 trades per day. So that would equal about 40 trades per month. Now, if you're already trading, you probably have every trade anywhere between 40 to 60%. I think if we start with 50%, that's okay. That's a very fair assumption. Of course, as you are becoming better and better trader, this number can improve quite significantly. But this is quite a usual profile of a general day trader. Now, once you get started, you'll see some important additional setting here in this left column. And do not get overwhelmed. It's super easy, and stay with me. Again, this will open your eyes. This is really revealing. So every trader, every day trader has some average win and average loss, meaning once you enter the position, you can use profit target, stop loss, but you can also use different exits like bar since entry. And either way, your exits will define or will be defined in case of winning trades as average winning trade, in the case of losing trades as an average losing trade. An average losing trade doesn't necessarily needs to be a trade ending at stop loss, okay? It can be just a choppy day, you enter, and then at the end of the day, you will end up a little bit below the entry point, but not hitting the stop loss. So that's already a losing trade. And these losing trades are averaging down into average loss and average win. Now, let's say you are a day trader and you're day trading E-mini S&P, very popular market for day trading, very good market for day trading. So a usual or a general trader, like a day trading trader, the average loss can be, let's say, about $500. Very realistic, nothing uncommon. So these are real realistic numbers. And average win can be, let's say, anywhere around 800. Okay, so please follow. Really, I promise this will open your eyes. Now, you have some basic profiles, and let's say you are little bit advanced trader, so you're already trading not one, but 3 contracts. 3 E-mini S&P contracts as a day trader. Again, this is very common. This is nothing major. Like, I'm not talking about hedge fund level or professional level. This is just a decent, normal, slightly advanced day trader. So you're trading 3 contracts, okay, 3 units. Now, with this general profile, as you can see, you're making, on average, you're making about about 18,000 per month on average, and about $200,000 on average annually. So again, this is a general profile. This is just, we're not talking here about precise numbers, not about equity, not about drawdown, but in general, with this simple profile, very realistic one, very common one, that's where you probably are. Now, bear with me. Let's say that about 1/3, about 30% of your losing trades are trades ending at the stop loss. And I already explained, not every loser will end on your stop loss. A lot of losers will just end up in negative territory, but not necessarily on stop loss. So let's say about 1/3, let's say 35% of trades will be actually hit at stop loss. And that's realistic number, okay? That's nothing, again, uncommon. That's quite a good, all right number. So nothing to worry about. It's part of the game, okay? So now we're expanded our profile, okay? We have 2 trades a day on average, 50-50. Out of that 50% losing trades, just 1/3 of those losing trades will be hit on stop loss. And we're trading 3 units, 3 contracts. So our profile is about, okay, 200K annually. Now, watch this. And this is what I mean when I talk about free money. If you can eliminate these false entries by a very minimum number, and I'm not talking like complete elimination, very minimum number, only 20%. And I mean, this is very doable. Out of all your losing trades, if you decrease the number of trades by only 20%, and this is very, very doable, only 20%, you can always use some savvy technique to decrease your, to smash your false entries by 20%. Look what happens. All of a sudden, your additional annual profit improves by $50,000 per year. So now you're jumping from about 216K annually to 166K annually. And all you did was improving your false entries by 20%. Even if I only improve them by 15%, okay, 15%, you just eliminate 15% of your losing trades. That's it, nothing more, 15%. You're already founding extra almost $40,000. And this is just 15%. That's nothing. Now, for this money, you can already buy some good stuff, okay? I mean, this is AI generated, so it can be a little bit exaggerated, but we're not so far away. Like, you can have some down payment on something fancy, on some really fancy stuff for extra $40,000, which you're literally finding on the ground as free money in any market. All you need to do is to reduce your false entries by insignificant small number as 15%. That's it, period. Now, of course, how you do it, there are a lot of different techniques. By the way, this calculator offers some really, really neat and proven techniques I'm using myself on the link with this button. It's completely free. So again, you can go to falsebreakoutscalculator.com or click on the link below. These are definitely techniques which will get you done, which will get this done. This number, like 15% is the minimum. You will probably remove more. Now imagine you would be really fantastic with this and you would slash 25% or even 30% of your false breakouts, false entries, not just breakouts, overall entries in anything, futures, crypto, forex, stock, day trading, swing trading, just name it. Now you're already jumping from 200K to 300K annually. That's a huge jump. And from 18K to 25K monthly. That's a huge jump. It's doable. Now the best part is you don't need to develop a tremendous amount of new strategies. You do not need to do extra overwhelming work. You need to be intelligent. You need to intelligently ask the genuine question. Is there any reasonable room how to slash even 15% of my losing trades without overfitting? By the way, the tips, this link, the technique which this calculator provides, and again, it's completely free, it doesn't include overfitting. It's totally without overfitting. It's a very intelligent way, which easily will get you at least to 20% or 15-20%. So what I want you to get from this video is that in trading, free money can be found on the ground if you approach your trading intelligently. And if you spot the right areas. So once I start focusing on a small improvement, just 20% of false entries being slashed, I'm improving my win percentage, my average profit per trade. I'm improving my income. I'm getting new opportunities to spend extra money the way I want. And all that takes is just very reasonable, few intelligent, highly focused tweaks. That's the message. We need to be able to spot those areas where we can make extra small improvement. And this small improvement through time, through months, just results in a huge financial difference at the end of the year. So again, play with this calculator. It's completely for free, falsebreakoutscalculator.com. Definitely get this technique, which will help you to get this done. And let me know, what do you think? And would you like more videos like this? If yes, please give me a thumb up so I know you like this kind of videos and you want more of it. And of course, I'll be back with even more content and practical tips like this every single week. I'm sharing very practical tips. So focus on small areas of improvement and see what happens. Again, it can literally be like finding free money on the ground in any market. Let's just get it done. So happy trading and see you next week. All you need are breakouts. Let your spirit